Hello dear students, good morning. Let us start today's class. Now today what we are going to learn is converse, inverse and contrapositive of the statements. Converse, inverse and contrapositive of the statements. And this is most important one, very important one. About contrapositive in 2020-2019 they asked the questions in JEE Mains. So what is this? I will explain you. Listen to me. You have two statements P and Q. Okay. You have two statements P and Q. P implies Q is always, what is that? That is a conditional statement. For every conditional statement, there will be converse, inverse and contrapositive. For every conditional statement, there will be converse, inverse, contrapositive. So we are going to learn today about these conditional statements converse, inverse and contrapositive. Now P implies Q is a statement. Then the converse of the statement will be, the converse can be written as, converse of the statement will be Q implies P. Q implies P is called converse. For example, suppose you have here a statement. Okay, I will explain with the example. Okay, you have here a statement that if a number is not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 9. That is the conditional statement we have. What is the conditional statement? If a number is not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 9. Another, you can see this one also. If a number n is even, then n square is even. Okay. So can I pick up this one or this one? Okay. I will pick up upper one. Okay. Now what I am saying here, if then before whatever is there, that is the one statement. So here is one statement. This is one statement. So what is the P statement? P statement is a number n is n. A number n is even. Let us consider a number n is even. What is the Q statement? Q statement is n square is even. N square is even. Okay. Now what I am taking here, I am taking a conditional statement that if a number small n is even, then n square is even. Just I am taking this small condition. So I am taking this conditional statement. What I am taking the conditional statement? If a number n is even, then n square is even. In that, what is the P statement? Then before if between whatever is there, that is the P statement. A number n is even. What is the Q statement? Then after what is there, that is the Q statement. N square is even. Now this is the conditional statement. Now converse of the statement will be written as Q implies P. Converse of the statement we write as Q implies P. Means what I have to write here? If n square is even, then if a number n square is even, you should write like this, because you have here if a number n is even. Like that you have to write here if a number n square is even. If a number n square is even, then what you have here? N is even. N is even. Hope you understand what I wrote. What here? You have a statement that if a number n is even, then n square is even. Then the converse of this statement will be, if a number n square is even, then n is even. This is called as converse of the conditional statement. Now next one is inverse. What is the inverse of the statement? Negation P implies negation Q. This is called as inverse of the statement. Inverse of the statement. So that is called as inverse. Means we have to write what? Negation to P, negation to Q. What is the negation of P here? If a number n is not even, then n square is not even. N square is not even. This is what we call as inverse of the conditional statement. Then what you have last one, converse over, inverse over, next is contrapositive. Contrapositive means what? Negation Q implies negation P, that is called as contrapositive. Contrapositive. This is most important one, and this based on this, JEE Mains asked 2 questions, 2 to 3 questions they asked. So this is most important. What will write here? If a number n square is not even, then n is not even. N is not even. So this is what we call as. For every conditional statement, there will be converse, inverse and contrapositive. So every conditional statement, you take any statement, there will be have converse, inverse and a contrapositive. P implies Q is a conditional statement. P implies Q is a conditional statement. In that P is a number n is even, and another Q is n is even, n square is even. So now Q implies P will be inverse of that. Converse of that is Q implies P. Means first Q should get, next P should get. If a number n square is even, then n is even. Now what is inverse of the statement? If a number n is not even, then n square is not even. What is contrapositive? If a number n square is not even, then n is not even. Like that, same way you can write for this one. Okay, this is homework to you. What is that? If a number is not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 9. What is the converse of this statement? The converse of this statement is, if a number is not divisible by 9, then it is not divisible by 3. That is what is converse of the statement. Converse will come from there to here. Q first, next P next. What is the inverse of the statement? If a number is divisible by 3, not is there, but inverse means divisible. So if a number is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 9. What is the contrapositive of this one? If a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 3. That is what we call converse, inverse, contrapositive. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.